Hello, my name is Dennis Jacobsen and this is the Business Leadership Academy. This is videocast number 4 about this book, Return on Character by Fred Kiel. It's out in 2015 and is a fascinating read about business behaviors, how it correlates with business results. In other words, the way you go about yourself, who you are, how you represent yourself, is there a financial position on that? Fred Kiel and his team undertook to interview 84 organizations, CEOs and executive teams, and involved 8,600 employees because they wanted to test the premises that if we say something, will we actually walk the talk to do it? What is then the implication in the organization? And finally, the financial reward of it. They used integrity to take responsibility, forgiveness and compassion as yardsticks. So when we speak about these values, will they actually also be carried through in real life? And then how is this perceived in the organization? The top scores had a strong correlation between saying and doing. That means that in 9 out of 10 cases, they would actually commit to do to what they said. It means that it breeds confidence in the organization to top management. We can trust them, we can believe them. They're in the same boat as us, we are one team, and it makes employees feel that they want to work longer and harder for this top management team. At the other end of the scale, you would find that top management 6 to 7 times out of 10 would actually do as they say. What that does is it leaves 1/3 of the times that they may slightly do something different. It means it breeds a little bit of doubt. Can I trust my top management actually to do what they say? Are they in the same boat as me? Is there 2 different agendas, one for me and then one for them? And eventually, it actually makes people doubt whether they should work long and hard for this group of managers. It showed on the financial returns, in this case, return on net assets, in as much as the top team scored 9.35 on average. Bottom team scored 1.93. For me, the important part here is the 5-fold difference between top and bottom. 5-fold. So if you have a culture which you are very much working on, something we have supported with processes and consequences to doing the right things and the wrong things, you would find, according to this research, that there is a high reward financially. It also goes to say that if you start watering out your culture, what you say versus what you do, you will be rewarded differently. It left another question to me, and that is, if I gave you $100 million, where would you invest your money? And yes, of course, you would go and look for the typically financial KPIs, but maybe it opens up the question for you to check the quality, the composition, the walk the talk attitude inside the top team. Because it seems like the more they walk the talk, the more there is financial reward. You might want to think about that in your own organization, but I'll leave you for now by saying thank you very much and enjoy your summer.